Welcome back. Help can come in many forms, and to ensure members of our community get the help they need, the Bernalillo County Metropolitan Court is planning on hosting a Resource Day event. To give us the details on that event and what attendees should expect, we are joined by Chief Judge Joshua J. Sanchez, as well as Judge Rosemary Cosgrove Aguilar from the Bernalillo County Metropolitan Court. Good morning. Welcome.
Good morning.
Thank you both so much for being here this morning. Tell us a little bit about what we can expect from this resource event and why it's so important.
Yeah, tomorrow Metro Court is going to be hosting our Resource Day from 10 o'clock until 2 o'clock. We've got 48 confirmed vendors that are going to be participating with us, from food trucks to behavioral health resources that will be available in one area for individuals to be able to come and talk to people and see if there's different types of services that would be beneficial to them.
And what kinds of services are we talking about when we're mentioning these?
Sure. So when we're talking about these types of things, when I was an attorney and even as a judge, a lot of times I'll hear family members ask, is there some sort of help I can get for my daughter, my son, a niece, a nephew? And a lot of times, until they get arrested, there's no way to force somebody to get help. So this is trying to be proactive in the community and give the community an opportunity to have access to these resources in one place. There'll be people there tomorrow with behavioral health resources, substance abuse disorder types of resources, lots of different availability for anybody that could be struggling.
And you just mentioned it. This is kind of a proactive approach, something that's preventative in nature.
Correct.
And it ties in really well with treatment courts. What is treatment courts for someone who doesn't understand what that might be?
A treatment court is someone who's been involved in the criminal justice system as an alternative to incarceration. They are programs that hold people accountable, but also provide treatment so that they can have a better outcome. Treatment courts are less expensive than incarceration, and there's less recidivism as well. So it's a win-win for the person and the community.
So it's kind of, the idea is to get them out of that revolving door system that we often see.
Give people the help they need for their sobriety, for whatever's brought them into the system, and so that they can become better productive citizens and not come back to Metro Court.
So who should check out this resource fair?
I think anybody who has somebody in their life that they're concerned about that could possibly be making some poor decisions, that has some known substance abuse disorders. They may have it with alcohol or illegal drugs, but this is a great place to come and find some resources, even if you don't bring that individual that's struggling. Being able to get the education from some of the vendors that are there and know what types of resources the community has available for people would be very beneficial for anybody.
Metro Court has been a leader in establishing nationally recognized programs. What do you all credit for that?
It's we stand on the work that people have been doing for over 24 years. We're very lucky. We've had one of the first treatment courts for veterans, one of the first treatment courts for urban Native Americans. We have a program that uses treatment court model for domestic violence offenders. And it's just really the history of the court and the people who've been with the court and the consistency of the other judges who've come in that we know that's the work that's expected of us for our community and for the people who live here.
Where can we go for more information on the resource event tomorrow?
The resource event would be available on our website. You can just go to Google Metro Court. It's going to pull it up. Also come down. It's open 10 to 2 to the public. We're going to be on the north side of the building.
Perfect. Thank you guys so much for being here this morning.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.